Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Pusheen Devil's Food Cake. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the toppings on the cake. Let's start with the pumpkin on the right side. Let's draw 2 angled lines for the tops of the eyes. And then a curve underneath each one. And now let's color both of these in black. Now let's move underneath and let's draw a zigzag line for the mouth. And that's it for the pumpkin face. Now let's draw the shape. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve. Then let's draw the horns by curving it up and down on both sides. Now to finish off the shape of the pumpkin, let's curve it down and in, and the same on the right side. And let's make sure the pumpkin's on a slight angle. And now let's close off the bottom with a curve across. Now top over on the left side and let's draw the whipped cream. Let's start next to the pumpkin and let's draw a wavy line up. Then from the top, let's curve it around and back in. And then let's add a curve down the center. Now on the top right, let's add another wavy line. And then one more curve out and back in on the left side. And that's it for the whipped cream. Now let's move down and draw the shape of the cake. Let's start on the left side and let's draw an oval shape down and curve it back up on the right. Now let's bring it down on both sides. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now let's move inside and on the top left, let's draw a curve, stopping about here. Now let's draw the icing drips. Let's draw a curve down and back up. And then a longer one next to it. And then finish it off by curving it all the way over to the right. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the layers of the cake. Let's draw a curve across, bringing it behind the icing. And then another curve underneath. And that's it for the cake. Now let's move on top and draw Pusheen. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve out on both sides like this for the mouth. And then let's draw a circle on both sides for the eyes. And then color both of them in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve across. Then let's curve it up on both sides. Then curve it in. Now top into the center and let's draw a curve across. And then on top of each of the gaps, let's draw a curve up and back down for the horns. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve down, over and back up in the center. And then the same thing on the left and on the right. And that's it for Pusheen's face. Now let's start drawing the body. Let's start on the top right of the horns and let's bring it up and then curve it down for the right side of the body. And then for the left, let's bring it up and we're going to stop about halfway. Now before we continue the body, let's draw the pitchfork. Let's start with an angled line. Then let's hop over on the bottom left and let's draw a curve up and back around for the hand. And then draw the other side of the pitchfork with an angle up. Next, at the end, let's draw a longer curve across at the top. Now let's hop up and let's draw a curved rectangle shape up and back down in the middle. Then let's curve it out from the bottom on both sides. And then another curved rectangle shape on both sides. And now that we're done the pitchfork, now let's finish drawing the left side of Pusheen's body. Under the hand, let's continue the body line by curving it down. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw one more curve up and back down for the other hand. Now that we have Pusheen's body, now let's add a few more details. On the right cheek, let's draw 2 curves out for the whiskers, and then 2 on the left, making it behind the pitchfork. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add the bat wings. Let's start with a curve out, and the same on the left next to the pitchfork. Now from both ends, let's bring it back in, and then 2 V-shaped points to close off each wing. And lastly, let's add a devil tail on the right side. On top of the right side of the cake, let's draw 2 curves up, then bring it out on both sides, and then a V-shaped point at the top. And that's it for this Pusheen Devil's Food Cake. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!